Penguins are cool, but not very efficient. Let's play God and create Penguin 2.0. Well, hello there, I'm Détroit. Or, on this channel and on this Photoshop canvas, I'm basically God, okay? I can do whatever I want. And what I want right now is to draw a birdie. I like drawing birds, as shown in this video, this one, or this one. Pick your favorite. Once again, I am drawing a bird, and what a great one. A penguin. A land bird, and water bird. Not a sky bird though, because it's quirky like that. What I have here is a picture I pulled out from the tool called google.com by searching the keyword penguin. I'm gonna use that as a reference and make something different. I called it Penguin 2.0 in the title and earlier, but if you feel like creating a name for this new species, drop it in the comments below. You know, right below the subscribe button you have already pressed. You already pressed it, right? Right? Good. I want this drawing to be simple and straightforward. Because this is the creation of a new species, I'm happy with leaving it as a sketch. It's a design, a character design but for a penguin. As such, I want it to look like a design board, so sketch lines, simple colors, not much detail, just a nice illustration with nice colors. Penguins, or how to include the best color combination that is blue and orange in a single animal drawing. I say blue and orange so much, I should simplify it to olu or blue-orange. Anyway, this complete drawing took me 28 minutes. As such, it's not slowed down as much as some other drawings I have done. It was fast to do, but I still had fun thinking about all the things to include in Penguin 2.0. Because the painting is simple and not too fast, you can easily follow the process. Which means I don't have to explain everything I do and I can talk more about the design I have in mind. Just so everybody is happy, here is how I created the picture. At first, I'm using my usual inking brush with pressure opacity turned down this time. This is so I can sketch quite fast and add more pressure if I want a line to get clearer than the others. After that, the whole painting part is done with a textured brush, which is actually a rock texture if I'm not mistaken, but scaled down. With pressure opacity only, I use it to slowly add colors until I get the shade I want. It makes it really easy to blend in colors, but at the same time I can still press on my stylus like a madman if I want to get the color to show up exactly in the tone I want. The eraser I'm using is very soft. For a sketchy design in painting, I don't want the eraser to leave clear marks, so again I'm turning to pressure opacity for getting rid of lines. Having things being not perfect is actually the look I want to achieve here. That's basically it for the painting process. And as you can see, at first I'm using the color picker from my reference, and then I'm going in by color sampling right from the drawing itself. Now that you understand better the execution for the drawing, let's talk about the design, everything I included in it. Here we go, here's a short list of the new features of Penguin 2.0 and why they are better than what you can find in boring penguins, in the early version. This is the DLC. Penguin 2.0 has a body shaped aerodynamically for perfect movement in any fluid, be it air or water. The shape is very close to that of Penguin 1, but better basically. What is more impressive with the new model is that it completely lacks neck joints and muscles. The head is always straight out the body for maximum water flow around it, especially when the beak is closed, bringing the shape of the head to a tight point that forces the water out with almost no resistance at all, making it like an arrowhead. The bottom of the body has the same shape as the top, again, for better flow. Only when out of the water, physics make it so the bottom sags a little, as can be seen in the standing up sketch. For perfect balance and movement control, Penguin 2.0 benefits from not 2 but 3 footsies, perfectly articulated like the old version. Tiny talons at the end provide the best gripping tool for the slippery ice, and the 3 feet work in combination when in water to direct Penguin 2.0 in all directions of space. To continue on with movement control, we of course have the 5 wings/fins. Powerful muscles allow for propulsion that is unequaled in the water kingdom. I have established that the propulsion power is actually 3 times more than the old Penguin model. The wings sit slightly slanted on the body, propulsing Penguin 2.0 in a spiral motion in water for, you guessed it, more water flow. As an added bonus, when the wings are open all the way, the penguin looks like a beautiful flower, which is not shown here sadly. The last 2 interesting features of Penguin 2.0 are the beak and the eyes. The beak is made up of 3 individually moving parts sitting on top of the head. With a crushing power equivalent to a crocodile jaw and the spear-like shape of each third of the beak, it is perfect for fish hunting and eating. Inside the head, powerful muscles can further crush the food for efficient sustenance. Perfectly aligned with the rest of the body, the mouth hole allows for feeding without significant slowing down of the swimming. Lastly, 3 eyes on the bulb-shaped head make sure at all times that no predator of Penguin 2.0 is in the vicinity of the bird. Placed where they are, the eyes can see at 360 degrees to the side as well as up and down, covering every single angle around to not compromise security in the slightest. For the color theme of Penguin 2.0, it is very reminiscent of the old model. The body is mainly white while the underside of the wings is grayer. While swimming, this makes a disorienting striping pattern for any predator looking from the side. The bottom of the body is darker than the top, so that when swimming away, the penguin blends in better with the dark waters. Apart from that, I thought the orange and yellow gradient was actually really pretty from the old model, so I get that one. Same for the black head and the orange stripes on the beak. For this design board I'm showing you, I wanted to include the 2 situations in which you would encounter Penguin 2.0 in the wild when the finished model is released. The left image is when the bird is standing on the ice, and the right one is while swimming and feeding, as shown by the open beak and the clockwise rotation. Now, if you are interested in this new model of Penguin, please make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to get every update on the production of Penguin 2.0. Like this video and leave a comment if you want to pre-order your own. Follow my Instagram and Twitter if you want the chance of winning a prototype of Penguin 2.0. There's not actually a contest for that or anything, since it's just a random drawing I made, but I would be very happy if you slid into my DMs like this penguin slides on ice. I'm Detroit, coming up with more ridiculous ideas twice a week. See you soon. Bye!